So today we are going to learn that given expression is rational or irrational. We have to check that it is a rational number or it is a irrational number. So we'll solve it. So a plus b whole square is a square b square 2ab. So it will be 2 square plus 2 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. So it will come out as 4 plus 4 root 2. Root 2 whole square is 2. So it will come out as 6 plus 4 root 2. So this part is rational, this part is irrational. So it is not a rational number. Similarly, it is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So this will be 5 whole square minus root 5 whole square. So it will come out as 25 minus 5. That is equal to 20. Since it is rational, so your answer will be it is a rational number. So first you have to solve the expression and then only you can analyze that it is a rational or irrational. Now in this expression you have to find a square of. So square of this one will be this much. So it will be 3 square into root 5 whole square by 2 square. So it will come out as 9 into 5 by 4 and your answer will come as 45 by 4. And when you have to square this one, so we have to use formula a plus b whole square. So it will be first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term whole square. So 3 square is 9, it is 2 3 is 6, 2 is 12 root 5 and 2 2 is 4, 5 is 20. So 20 plus 9 is 29 plus 12 root 5. That will be your answer. Now next type of question will be prove root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So what we'll do, we'll consider rate root 2 plus root 3 is rational. It implies that root 2 plus root 3 will be equal to p by q, or root 2 can be written as p by q minus root 3. We'll interchange the position, so it will be root 2. Now we'll square both sides. P by q minus root 3 whole square, that is equal to root 2 whole square. So it will be p square by q square minus 2 into p by q into root 3 plus root 3 whole square is equal to 2. Now it will be p square by q square. This is 3. Bring this to this side. Send this one that side. So it will be 2 root 3 p by q. So what will happen? P square by q square and 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by root 3, 2 root 3 p by q. So after solving, p square plus q square is equal to 2 root 3 pq. So if we'll write p square plus q square by q square here, bring this one here. So it will be 2 root 3 q square into, let it be here like this, bring this p here, q will be here and p will be here and q square is here, that is equal to 2 root 3. So q will cancel one of the pq, so p square plus q square by pq, bring this 2 also here, that is equal to root 3. It seems to be rational, but it's clear-cut irrational number. Means it contradicts the fact. Left side is rational, right side is irrational. Hence assumption is wrong. And so we can say that hence root 2 plus root 3 is irrational root. This way you have to give the explanation. Next type of sum can be sum of irrational number is a irrational number. You have to give example. Give example of sum of irrational number, two irrational number whose sum is irrational. So give example. Consider one is 2 plus root 3 and another is 2 minus 2 2 plus root 5. So if you add both of them, so it will come out as 2 plus 4 plus root 3 plus root 5. So we'll get a irrational number. Maybe question is, give example of sum of two irrational as a rational number. So consider first one as 2 plus root 3 and consider second one as 2 minus root 3. If you will add both of them, so 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, this is cancelled, so you will get a rational number. Maybe it will like that. Give example of two irrational whose sum not difference is irrational. Difference is irrational. So example is root 2. Consider root 3, another is root 2. So root 3 minus root 2 is always irrational. Maybe it is like example where difference is rational. So take one example as 5 plus root 3 and another example as 2 plus root 3. And when you are subtracting, then 5 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 will give out the result as 5 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3. So this will be cancelled. 5 minus 2 is 3. It is rational. Some more examples we will see. Now we will go to see examples where product is irrational. Product of irrational is irrational. So consider one number is 2 plus root 3 and it is multiplied to another number. Consider 5 plus root 2. So 2 5s are 10. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. Root 3 into 5 is 5 root 3. And root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So it will be 10 plus 2 root 2 plus, this will be nothing to solve later on. So it is irrational number. Consider you have to find out product is a rational. Product of two irrational is rational. So consider first one as 5 plus root over 7 and second as 6 minus or 5 minus root over 7. So if we multiply 5 plus root 7 to 5 minus root over 7, so form is a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square. So it will be 25 minus 7, that is equal to 18. It will be a rational number.